Hey everyone, welcome to the most energetic episode of True Fluency Hub. I'm Fatema, and with me is our problem-solving in chief, Raja. How's everyone doing? Hope you're all absolutely smashing it.
What's up, Fatima? Why so much energy today? Going on a secret mission or something? Friends, today we're going to talk about a game-changing topic that could literally transform your life.
Exactly. Imagine this. You're in a foreign country all alone. Suddenly you feel unwell, your head is spinning, you're nauseous. What would you do? Who would you go to? If you can't speak English, you're doomed. Can you imagine that nightmare?
Oh, shoot. That's definitely a deep, thrilling crisis moment. Many of us think, oh, I've learned English. But when an emergency hits, we forget everything. Seriously. So today we are going to talk about a situation that could literally save you.
Yes, today we are going to learn how to talk to a doctor in English like a superhero. So ready, steady, go! But before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon and a like is a must.
So Fatima, let's enter a story fantasy world. Imagine you are the protagonist of today's episode, the main character, and I'm your guide. You suddenly fall very ill.
Exactly. Imagine this. You're in a foreign country all alone. Suddenly you feel unwell. Your head is spinning. You're nauseous. Ugh. What would you do? Who would you go to? If you can't speak English, you're doomed. Can you imagine that nightmare? Raja, my head feels like it's going to explode and my body is burning up like fire. It feels like flu symptoms. Seriously, am I going to die?
Hey, don't die just yet. You still have a lot of work left to do. Oh, it seems you have a fever. This is the real challenge. Now your decision-making skills will be put to the test. What will you do?
Yes, this is the turning point. What should I do, Raja?
Simple. First, you call the doctor's office. This is your first mission. You can say, "Hello, I need to see the doctor, please. I'm not feeling well." Remember, say it with confidence.
Hello, I need to see the doctor, please. Done.
Exactly. Then the receptionist will ask your name and problem. You'll say, "My name is Fatima. My head hurts and I feel hot." They usually ask some basic questions like, since when have you had this problem, or are there any other usual symptoms?
Oh, I need to say more then. I can say, yesterday evening I started feeling unwell. I have a headache and a fever. Would that work?
Awesome! Giving this kind of detailed information is super important, my friend. It helps the doctor understand your problem better. Then they'll give you a time that works for you. For example, they might say, "Can you come at 2 p.m.?" If you can go, you'll say, "Yes, I can." And if you can't, you'll say, "No, I'm sorry. Is 3 p.m. okay?" See how easy it is?
Oh, so my appointment is fixed. An appointment. That word is super duper useful. This is my next step.
Yes, this is the first twist in the story. You have an appointment, now you're ready to go to the doctor. Let's go!
So, my appointment is fixed at 2 p.m. Now I'll go to the doctor's office. I'll tell the receptionist, "Hello, I have an appointment at 2 p.m. My name is Fatima. Will that be enough?"
Absolutely clear. The receptionist might give you a form to fill out. Usually, new patients have to fill out this form where you write your name, address, phone number, and some health information. This is your identity verification.
Oh, filling out a form. Even when I'm sick. Seriously, this is like a mini mission.
Yes, my friend. After filling out the form, you will sit comfortably in the waiting room. There'll be many people there, all waiting for their next scene in the story. Who knows what fate awaits each of them? You can look at magazines or scroll through your phone. This is your waiting period.
Then the nurse will call me, maybe by my name, Fatima Begum, a little nervously.
Exactly. The nurse will take you to a small room. There, she'll do some preliminary checks, like taking your temperature, checking your blood pressure and your pulse. Wait, what? Pulse? They'll check your vital signs.
Oh, the thermometer. They'll surely put it in my ear or mouth. And blood pressure. Ugh.
Yes, my friend. The nurse will also ask you some general questions like, how are you feeling now? Or what's your main concern? You can give her all the details of your problem.
I can say I'm not feeling so good. My head is throbbing and I feel feverish. I also have a sore throat. Will they understand that?
Brilliant! Throbbing means your headache is pounding. This word is very effective. The nurse usually gives the doctor a preliminary idea about your condition. This is like the information gathering phase. The nurse is like your detective assistant.
After the nurse, finally, the doctor will arrive. Wait, what happens next?
The doctor will greet you. Hello, Fatima. What's the problem today? This is your face-to-face confrontation.
I'll tell the doctor everything. I have a headache, a sore throat, and a fever.
Very good. Headache means pain in your head. This word is very simple and important. The doctor will then examine you. He'll look at your throat, ask you to say, ah. Then he'll listen to your chest with a stethoscope and ask you to breathe in and out.
In and out. I'm a good patient.
Exactly. The doctor might also check your eyes, ears, or nose. This is like the medical investigation. He'll collect all the information and diagnose the problem. Can you imagine? The doctor is like Sherlock Holmes.
After the examination, what will the doctor say? Any surprising news?
The doctor will diagnose your illness. He might say, you probably have a cold or it's a viral infection. Then he'll give you some very important advice which will be super duper important for you.
What kind of advice? Any secret tips?
He'll say you need to rest, meaning get enough sleep, stay away from physical exertion and be calm. And drink plenty of water. This keeps your body hydrated. Got it?
Rest and water. Anything else?
Yes, the doctor will give you medicines. He'll write the medicine names on a paper and that is called a prescription.
Prescription. That's the paper for buying medicine. No way.
Exactly right. This is your story solution. Can you imagine all your problems solved with one piece of paper?
I'll take this prescription to the pharmacy. There, when I give them the paper, they'll give me the medicine and tell me how to take it. For example, take 1 pill in the morning, 1 in the afternoon, and 1 at night. So much work.
Yes, listen carefully to the pharmacist because taking the medicine at the right time and in the right dosage is crucial, Fatma. Otherwise, there could be side effects.
So I'll go home, take my medicine, drink water, and rest. This feels like heaven.
Yes, and within a few days, you'll be healthy again. This is your story's happy ending.
Truly, happily ever after.
Yay, I'm not sick anymore. Being healthy feels so great. The feel-good factor. Can you imagine? The joy of going from sick to healthy. It's like the best gift in life.
Exactly. But you know, Fatima, sometimes even if our body isn't in pain, our mind might be sad. For example, when we're feeling very down. A body doctor can't always cure that sadness.
Seriously, mental pain isn't cured with medicine, right?
Oh, mental health. That's very important.
That's right. To remove the sadness from our hearts, we can talk to God, which means praying. You can tell God everything. He listens. He's always there for us. He understands our hearts. He can give you true joy in your heart. When your heart is sad, pray to God. It's the best medicine for the heart. This part is like a deep life realization or the moral of the story. This is our motivational speech giving you life lessons.
Oh, Fatima, that's truly amazing advice. We should take care of both our body and our soul. That's the balanced life. Oh, just amazing.
I agree, Fatima. And to all our dear friends, thank you so much for joining us on this awesome adventure today. I hope today's episode was very helpful for you and you learned a lot.
Yes, let us know how you liked it and what new words you learned, like appointment, headache, prescription, stethoscope, or pharmacist. Please, please, please comment below. We'll be eagerly waiting for your comments.
Can you imagine? Your one comment is so valuable to us.
And friends, don't forget to subscribe to True Fluency Hub. Also hit that bell icon because we are bringing you new fantastic content. Share this episode with your friends and family because sharing is caring. Can you imagine one share from you could change someone else's life? Seriously.
Yes, this will unveil a new dimension in your life. So stay tuned. We'll be back with another super duper episode.
Goodbye everyone. Stay healthy and be happy. Bye bye for now.